What's good YouTube, it's your boy Quan. Once again, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog, people. Welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all enjoy this content. We gotta make some space. Yes, sir. So yeah, people, we're into transport board right now. I'm just leaving Vic Bouteille. Yeah, people, sorry about the vibration. I realized I was shaking a lot. So yeah, people, sorry about that. People, we have some rain coming down. It's been a bit weird this past couple of days, and I'll just merge. Well, I think I'll just upload them before that, so you all see the videos of the flooding. Not major flooding, but you know, minor things. Yeah, people, we are shock right now. And I find it strange, if there is shock, why down there is sunny? Because like the area is so small. Well, I'm not 100% sure because I'm not from here. Yeah, people, like, just here alone cannot be shocked, because I'll just be outrageous. Make it happen, people, make it happen. Make life. As a wonder you don't know bike like people when it's raining. But from that, people, oh yeah, bike is a must. Seriously? You see the truck coming, you're still overtaking. I myself can't understand those people. Like what? So what if the learner just panic and just press gas? One thing, there's waste people time too. You can't really blame some drivers. Make it happen. Jeez. That wasn't panic. Go G, go G. Yeah people, that's all part of it. We were all once a learner at some point in time. Literally. From the time you're born, you're a learner. Because you have to learn how to walk and different stuff, so not everybody that perfect. Mama, I need some place close to park, people. Yes, sir. Okay, people. So we are transport boy right now, people. Just take the rest of my stuff and we're heading inside. It will be a while inside there, so I'll just cut off at some point and try and upload what I have. Yeah, the content not too great, not too 100% people, but for now, when you're at work and you want to upload, I know, right? Why are you getting wet?
Sorry?
Why are you getting wet?
Oh, because I don't open my umbrella like this.
Okay. Yeah, people.
I don't get it.
So, can I wait for you? Listen to me. That one document. Yeah. Yeah, the last time they rejected it. That's why they sent me. Okay. Well, I'll just do the rest and I'll just do it. Okay.
Infrastructure.